I actually quite enjoy watching the actual football, but what I cannot stand is the stuff that comes with it, which is the songs about, people's girlfriends and all the rudeness and the shouting and that sort of awful man noise that men make. I find it really vulgar. I'm sorry, I'm no.
But I'm a bloke and I hate it.
Okay, so
that's why I'm considered seriously disordered.
Why can't it just be like tennis?
Well, because that's not the point of it. The point of it is tennis is the modern English version of the rain dance, and its purpose is to bring rain to Wimbledon.